In this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote a affiliate program which can give you a recurring commission like this, which I made right $3,265 promoting this one software called GetResponse. There are many software which is giving you an option of creating recurring commission. That means you're going to sell one time. Whenever they upgrade or buy again, you'll make this small commission by promoting only one time with organic traffic. If you're first time here, guys, do subscribe my channel called Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos related to how to make money online concept, affiliate marketing, where you sell other people's product. You can start with money, without money, organic traffic, as well as paid traffic. So you can check my playlist over here and give the thumbs up to this video, guys, because in this video you're gonna learn how to make this small commission every month by selling this softwares with organic traffic. So here you can see this is a software called GetResponse, which is an email marketing or all-in-one software, which is free, which is very good for any beginner to start email marketing or to create a landing page. So when you promote this affiliate program, you'll make 33% of the commission as well as, right, and that is a recurring commission. Here you can see recurring program, and you'll make a lifetime earning here. So here you can see these are the people who is buying from me. So once they buy front end, I'll make the money, as well as whenever repeatedly they will subscribe or upgrade their accounts, I'll keep on going to make the sales. So there are many programs like this. Here you can see this is one of the program called Canva. It is very less, $10 or $15, okay? But this kinds of income every month you'll make if you promote dedicatedly this software, which I'm going to show you in this video. To make the recurring commission in affiliate program, guys, you have to follow this easy 3 steps. Number 1, find the software that people use or they are looking for. The second thing is software must have a recurring commission that I'm going to show you how to check that. Then show people the benefit, how to use, and show them comparing the 2 different software. That also I'm going to show you, right, how you can do this. So to get the software, guys, we will use this website called Capterra. And this is the website where you can see different products, different softwares. Here, if you can scroll down here, you can see according to these different niches or categories, guys, you can select the product. So we are into marketing and digital marketing niche. So here you can see so many different products related to affiliate, click fraud, and then content marketing. There are so many things which you can check here. So we will get into this email marketing. If you click here, it will show you all the email marketing softwares, right? Look at this. These are the different email marketing software. And now in the top, guys, you'll get different option to select, right? For example, what you're looking in the email marketing software. So if I am a beginner, I'm going to look, right, something like which should have a landing page builder, free reporting and analytic, right? You can select this software here, and then I'm looking at free one here. So now it will show you all those softwares, right, which is free, which have those analytics options, free to use, like GetResponse, right? Look at this one here. So if you click here, you will land here in this software. This software have an amazing feature for email marketing to create a landing page and whatever you want, right? Email automations, website building and all, right? So now if you have to see the second very, very important thing, whether this have a recurring commission or not, right? That is very, very important. Any software which you're selecting here. So if you go down in the bottom, guys, they have their affiliate program in the bottom, right? Click this affiliate program. And if you select this affiliate program, guys, you can see this is their affiliate page, right, where they're offering 33% of recurring commissions. Every program is different. Some will offer you somewhere between from 5 to 30%. Sometimes you will also see 40% of recurring commission. Okay, so this is it. Okay, here then what you have to do is you have to make the sign up to this affiliate program, and once if you make, you will start promoting the offer. Same thing, guys, you can come back, you can select different product from here. For example, let's see this one here, right? Bitrix in this case. So Bitrix 24 is an amazing, right, a software. You can compare this software with Katra. It's also having a free feature. So go down again and you can see here to become a partner, right? Partner program. And in this partner program, they are offering 50% for each sale. As I said just now, right? They're offering 50%, but they don't have a recurring option. I don't think so. They have options, right? No issues. You can also make 50% from this. Make the sign up and become the partner of this program. Okay, and you can make 50% on a front end sale. So like this, guys, you can select many softwares from here in the different categories. Okay, so once if you selected the and you have checked whether it's a recurring commission or not, and the last step is show the benefit or how to use it or do the comparison. So this is all about the traffic part. For traffic, guys, we're going to use the organic traffic. So one of the best traffic platform to get this recurring commission from this affiliate program is, guys, search engine result page. Just ranking simple pages, right? Simple small website in the search engine result page will give you ongoing recurring commission. So how I am doing this, I create, guys, this blogs where I compare get response with other different email marketing softwares. So here you can see this is my list. If you want, I will share this list to you. You can check this list in the description. So here you can see get response versus MailChimp, get response with versus ClickFunnels, Aweber. You don't need to sign up for all of this platform. If you want, you can make the sign up also, so that you can make the income from different sources, right? All these things. And then you can see ClickFunnels versus get response, right? And then, guys, Hostinger, any hosting, domain and hosting program, guys, have these recurring commissions, right? Like GoDaddy, Bluehost, HostGator, WordPress, all these things already have it, guys. For example, guys, Hostinger, look at this. This is a domain and hosting program. They also have affiliate program. Here you can see you can make 60% of every sales. Then the another software which I'm targeting is, guys, Canva. Okay, Canva is right. Everybody is using Canva right now, so you can do the comparison, right? Blogs between Canva and Photoshop, right? And in any of this, right? And now this is the list, guys. If you want, you can access, right? This is recurring affiliate program for email marketing. All the email marketing software which have recurring options I have given here, right? Look at this: Aweber, Get Response, MailerLite, MoveSend. All these things have this recurring option. Then, guys, landing page builder or funnel builders. Look at the 30%, 40%, 50% with Instapage. You can also do the comparison of the themes, right? So this is a recurring affiliate program for SEO, right? You can see this, right? 50%, 30%, and some of them have $500 per lead recurring in front end. Okay, and then you have, guys, ad platform or tracking tools and all. And then at the end, guys, webinar tools. These are the major tools, guys, which online marketer use. So I do the comparison or review in my website. So I can't show you my website here, guys, because a lot of people will copy this. I can show you some glimpse here, right? For example, guys, table of content. Here you can see that get response versus MailChimp. I am comparing them, right? Look at this one here, right? The features, right? Whatever the features they have, right? Email templates and all those things, you can see. This is how I do this. So how can you get the idea like this? You can check Authority Hacker. This is not my website, but one of the best premium website from where I am learning how to do this. You can see how they are doing. So you can see interface comparisons, right? Autoresponder comparison, whatever the features these platform have, you can do the comparison here. Okay, and you can write a simple blogs by watching them in your own words. And this is one of the best way. With SEO, you will get unlimited traffic, guys. Those people who are doing here, ranking here, they're getting unlimited traffic from this. Another and my favorite traffic platform is, guys, YouTube. You can type in YouTube, get response versus ClickFunnels, right? ConvertKit, Active Campaign, Aweber. Look at this, how people are looking for this. Okay, right? For example, get response versus, let me select, right, ClickFunnels. And you will see people are doing the comparison here, right? For example, look at this ClickFunnels versus get response. And it's very easy to rank with in YouTube, guys, compared to blogs. So nobody did the comparison for this year, right? You can go for this year and you can do the comparison here, right? Get response versus ClickFunnels 2020. Look at this 1 year, right? 2 month. Look at this free ClickFunnels alternatives. Okay, so somebody has created this videos here. So this is how right, you can get the traffic. Just make the sign up in 1 or 2 tools and start comparing the features and show them which is the best one. So these are the best traffic source, guys. One is search engine result page, right? If you don't like to create a video, you can create a blog by watching others, or else if you don't like to write, then you can create the YouTube channel like this and get tons of views, and you can make recurring commissions like this. You can also download this sheet if you want. I will leave link in the description. So give the thumbs up to this video, guys, if you got the value. Meet you in the next video with some more valuable content for you, so that I can make your affiliate marketing business this year in 2022.